Thank you for tuning in. If you have always wanted to start meditating, but you were not quite sure how to go about it, let's spend the next few minutes getting a good start. It's easier than you think. Simply make yourself comfortable, whatever position feels good to you. Allow a few minutes to settle in, and when ready, close your eyes. And as you breathe in and out, begin counting your breath. Following your breath and counting it gives your mind a specific task. And this is how it's easy for us to focus on the breath. Keep going for just a little bit longer. And as you keep attending to your breath, become aware of your body. Simply feel the body, the space around it. And by simply following your breath and noticing it, observe any changes. Do you feel calmer? Do you feel more relaxed? Very slowly, start opening your eyes. This is all we're going to do today, but I encourage you to explore our channel further with longer meditations. Thank you so much for being with me.